Is that an almond joy?
Mm-hmm.
Nobody likes almond joy. Jeffrey Dahmer. That's it. He's the only one.
This is in my top 3, for sure.
What are your other 2?
Charleston Chew and Bit O' Honey.
Jesus Christ. Those are the, like, 3 worst candy bars in the history of candy. That's it. You're sick in the brain.
Hey, what's up with MM's OCD?
Wait, what OCD?
You know, when he changes lanes, he taps the steering wheel 3 times. He stirs the coffee 3 times. The antiseptic wipes. Really? You haven't noticed any of this?
No. But wow, you're right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's just control over things you can't control, I guess. I mean, I should be the last one talking about that. This is the girl who's just stress eating all day.
Oh my God! That was so good. That was really good. I enjoyed that. It's harder than it looks. I think, you know, actually, I think I went the other way with the eating. I think I lost, like, 7 pounds. I did not have 7 to lose.
Well, I sleep about 4 hours a night.
I wish I slept 4 hours a night. I mean, I'm too busy chewing my fingernails down to the quick. I don't know, whatever. I don't know what a quick is, but...
Here's one. I walk around the 7 Tower with this knot in my gut. Just wondering if Homelander is waiting around every corner to kill me. It's like living with a loaded gun in my face.
Do you feel that way now?